you're not there, but you're involved. When there's shows, drive up and see it. When there's sports, drive up and see it. You know, you got to make that step, and they will keep you informed. I even get emails from teachers that's just Jamara teacher, just letting me know that she did something great today. They'll send me pictures. I got a picture in the mail from when she did her solo in the musical, and it was such a beautiful picture. They print it and send me a copy. These are the things you want to see. You just want to see that. So they keep you posted. They keep you informed. And it's so good to know that there's faculty staff of color working in the schools that will make sure their kids are taken care of. Not to say they're not taking care of the others, but they will look out for your kids even more.